We love doing these videos and we look forward to providing you with valuable content. We see it as our responsibility to inform you, the viewer, on important topics centered around real estate throughout the entire state of Texas. And in this video, we will be taking a close look at the influence of major industry, specifically in the Hill Country region of Austin, Texas. We will be chatting about Samsung and its plans to expand. So I want to take this time and thank you, the viewer, for your support. So please like, comment, and share this video if you find it valuable. This is literally like sitting through an action thriller. Probably the most exciting thing in terms of real estate for our area. Everyone is on the edge of their seats. I had the pleasure with speaking with locals, and this was their sentiment as well. Economic expansion is critical when we speak about rising real estate values. We have seen a wave of companies moving from California and many more on their way. So with so much excitement, it's easy to speculate. Here's a quote from Warren Buffett. The line separating investments and speculation, which is never bright and clear, becomes blurred still further when most market participants have recently enjoyed triumphs. Nothing sedates rationality like large doses of effortless money. So now, let's talk about Samsung plant. And I hope by the time this video is released, we get confirmation from Samsung on their plans to expand to Taylor, Texas. Let's see what this means for your area and your real estate values. What do you do with 51 million square feet and $17 billion? Build a Samsung plant, of course. So what's the big deal? Well, for starters, Taylor has a population of 17,000 people, according to most recent census report. And Samsung is looking to bring 1,800 new high-paying jobs. That's almost 12% of the entire population. Now, this is attracting talent from all over the world. But there's more. We can't even start to count the new jobs that would be created by the $17 billion they plan to spend on the construction of the plant. This means more hotels to house these people, more restaurants to feed them, and so on and so forth. And you get the point. We're talking about a major economic expansion here, guys. The next larger employer in Taylor is only employing just a couple of hundred people. So this Samsung news is pretty huge. This is going to produce more jobs than all the jobs that are currently available in the entire town of Taylor. A decision of this magnitude takes a lot of thinking, and it's no wonder why Samsung been reluctant to come out and present the news we all have been waiting for. Just this week, it has been reported that the leader of Samsung, Lee Jae-yong, has been released on parole for drug use. So he's no stranger to legal problems. He spent over a year in prison on 2 separate bribery cases, and many wonder if he's even capable of running this company. Well, he has been running this company since his father passed away in a heart attack back in 2014. Samsung currently makes up to 20% of South Korea's exports. So if you're doing research on this, it's probably obvious to you from all the information that you have gathered, from all the news outlets, that Samsung is really hush-hush when it comes to their decision. We do know that a part of their decision is based on access to water and electricity. And here's something that a lot of people don't know. ERCOT is located in Taylor, Texas, which is also known as the Electric Reliability Council of Texas. You probably heard of them during the disastrous winter storm of epic proportions of 2020 that wiped out electricity for millions of households throughout the entire state. Not only did it impact households, it impacted Samsung directly, costing the company almost 250 to 330 million in wafer production. Now let that sink in for a moment. This project is projected to be 4 times the size of the existing plant that's currently located off of Palmer Boulevard in Northeast Austin. So yeah, this is a really big deal. Well, we're really excited about the job growth, and I'm personally excited to see how this manifests in terms of chip manufacturing and its relationship to Tesla plant and its output of vehicles. This is definitely going to be a compounding benefits for our Hill Country region, being that Tesla uses Samsung chips in their manufacturing of cars. Just this year, Samsung and Tesla inked a deal for Cybertruck cameras at $436 million. That's a lot of money. Now, there's really big numbers when we take a closer look at things like $300 billion in tax benefits, guys. Now we start to wonder what all this means in terms of real estate. Now on a smaller scale and still very big news, American Statesman Glove Company has narrowed their choices down to 3 locations. One of them being in Rockdale, Texas, which is right down the street from Taylor, just 30-minute drive, where they plan to build 3 facilities worth $775 million. Now, what does all this mean to you? I love having conversations around real estate, so give me a call and let's chat about the upside you can experience when you work with me and my team.